Hi, I'm Joanne Butler with some things you need to know about this holiday. Now, of course, the thing on everyone's mind when you're holiday planning is what's on the menu. And if you aren't familiar with Portillo's, they're the iconic Chicago restaurant brand known for Chicago-style hot dogs and Italian beef sandwiches, and I absolutely love them. They have 70 plus restaurants, but they're making it super easy for those who live anywhere around the country to try them for the holidays with these shop and ship meals. Two of their most popular kits here both come with everything you need to just create the most delicious hot dogs and sandwiches that they serve up in their restaurants. The classic Chicago style hot dog has 7 toppings. I don't know if you know that. They all come in this kit along with the dogs and the poppy seed buns. So definitely check them out at portillos.com/holiday to start your holiday menu planning. Now let's talk decorating. It's all about lighting for me, just to create the perfect holiday vibe, and I love Whiz Connected. It's a simple, affordable option, so versatile, great for any mood you're going for. You can schedule your lights to turn on or off, or use the presets to make them flash. They have all different awesome colors. There's a party setting or a relaxing, warm light setting to wind down afterwards if you'd like. And they're powered by Wi-Fi and controllable via the Whiz smartphone app, or even hands-free with voice control. And there's no additional hardware or account setup. You just download the app to your phone and set it up. Nothing else is needed. They have bulbs, lamps, LED strips, just a ton more, starting under $10. So it's kind of a no-brainer. You can get them at Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, and check out more at whizconnected.com. Now, next up, my family and I are huge Staples fans, especially this time of year, because they just let you cross off everything on your to-do list. You can make your family holiday cards, make decorations, you can ship all your gifts, and of course they have amazing deals on the hottest technology buys like this HP monitor, the Xbox controller, Apple AirPods, and check this out, they're all on sale this week for Black Friday, plus 25% off UPS Express shipping services all season long to ensure your gifts arrive on time. You can even pack your order right there in store and save 50% when you buy 5 boxes or mailers, so it's so neat. Now, even better, when you head over there, you can bring all your outdated technology stuff like old tablets, laptops, desktop computers, and they'll recycle them for free. Plus, give you $5 back in rewards that you can put toward your new gifts. So, kind of so cool. Also, last minute UPS shipping services are 60% off through December 3rd. And what's great too, they're open on evenings and weekends all season long. To find a store near you, you just head to staples.com. And to get a jump start on those holiday cards, staples.com/holiday cards.